I've got a simple plan open in Home Designer Pro 2019. I've drawn a shed dormer on it. Let me control tab over to the camera view. There we go. And okay, you were asking about how do you get this ridge to match this ridge? Well, that's pretty simple and straightforward. I'm going to go back to plan, and this is a dormer that I created with the dormer tool, and then exploded it into its constituent parts. So now it's just a roof plane and a hole in the roof polyline, and then on the next floor up, here's the walls and the windows. Okay. Now, in order to have this ridge right here match this ridge, pretty simple. I'm just going to take point-to-point move and move that ridge up there collinear with the other ridge. Now, obviously, I've got some other work to do, but now the ridges match, but not in height. In plan view, they match. To get the ridge height, you open the dialog box of the parent, so to speak, roof plane, and there's the ridge, 260 and 15/16. I'm going to copy that value to the Windows clipboard. And now I'm going to open the shed dormer dialog, and I'm going to lock the pitch, put the radio button in the pitch position so that the pitch doesn't change when I change this value here to match the value that I copied from the parent roof plane. Now I'm going to go back to the camera, and so you can see now these ridges match. This one and this one match. Now, the rest of the dormer is kind of messed up, but what I'm going to do is keep it simple. I'm just going to drag the eave down. And there it is. Now, the other thing is I have to move this hole in the roof polyline to match also, so it's all nice and neat. Now, that's fairly well cleaned up. Now, the interior dynamics of the, I haven't really addressed that, but let's take a look with an elevation camera. So I didn't create a second floor, and I don't know what your purpose is of having this dormer, but that's how you get the ridges to match. See, they match absolutely now. And I might want to change the pitch. If I wanted to change the pitch on this dormer without changing the ridge, then you just open the dialog box, lock the ridge. That's what you don't want to change. Then we'll change the pitch to 5. And that keeps the ridge where the ridge was, but now we have a steeper pitch on the, let's see, I guess I lost my overview camera. Open it again. Yeah, it doesn't work very well for the windows. So I'm going to click on the roof plane again, and again, I want to hinge from the ridge point, so I'm going to put the radio button there, and then we'll take it back to 3. Or we could, again, I'm going to hinge it from the ridge, and we'll make it 4. Okay, that's a little bit better, I think. It depends on what you're doing as a designer, but to match ridges, you just have to know what the ridge is, and then open this one, make it collinear and plan view, ridge and ridge, and then you can copy paste this value into this one and get the results that you're looking for. I hope this is somewhat helpful to you. With a lot of stuff with this software, you're going to learn it by doing it wrong, and then learn by doing it right. And then that develops judgment within you. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. Okay? Hope this video helps you or you and others. Have a good day. Bye.